today we are doing a tasting challenge on Murdoch Brothers review. So we have a dice and we have blindfolds. So we're gonna guess what we have to try, and we have to guess. And we roll the dice, and then whatever number we get, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 foods, and then you have to roll the dice, and if you get 6, you get the sixth number of food.
Okay, roll the dice.
Okay, where is it? Okay.
You got a 2.
Okay.
So number 2.
Okay.
Stay there, Ella. I'll give you some too.
Oh no.
It's Christmas time.
Is it Christmas time?
Please don't be hot sauce. Please don't be hot sauce.
All right. Open your mouth.
Peanut butter.
Yep.
That was easy.
You should see it. Okay, roll again. You got a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Ah.
Okay. You too?
Frosting.
Yep, you got it.
Oh, that was so hard. I thought that was ice cream. Or cookie.
Here.
Oh, that's...
Okay, roll again.
Me?
Yep.
Where is it?
Like ice cream.
Where is it?
Keep filling. Here. You got a 6.
Oh.
You want it like Sam? Okay. Okay.
Please don't be hot sauce.
Okay, open your mouth.
Salsa.
Okay, roll it again.
Oh, it's spicy.
Okay, roll it again.
Oh, it's spicy.
You got a 2. You already done 2, so do it again.
Okay.
3.
Oh, I thought it was gonna be 4.
You don't like Sam's?
Orange.
You want orange one? Okay. After Samson, I'll get an orange.
Can
Okay?
I have a seed?
Yeah.
Oh.
You open your mouth.
Uh-oh. Mustard?
Yep.
Ew! I hate mustard.
Okay, roll again.
Why did you do that? Ah!
Okay, you did 2, but I'm just gonna do it number 1.
I'm so scared. Wait, what is it?
Don't tell her. Don't tell him.
Wait.
Okay, open your mouth.
Honey.
Yep.
I knew one of them was gonna be.
Okay, the last one. Open your mouth.
Huh? That raisin and nut thing, that raisin. Raisins?
Craisins.
Oh.
Okay, you did it. You knew them all.
Yeah.